how to limit emoji access by rules on Discord. So head over right here to your homepage and then just select in here your server. Click on the server name, scroll down and click right here. Click on the settings, scroll down and click on rules. And then after that, click on plus option. And then let's name this rule right here as new. And then select in here a color. Click on create. And then let's choose in here this cosmetic and click on select. Then just send it or attach people to this one. Now from in there, click on the actual rule, click on permissions, and then click on this view channel right here. And then that way they should only be able to view the channel and add reactions for this one. Click on save in order to save it. So that's how you limit emoji access by rules on Discord. Hope you helped.